seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that's a big mistake. Just look at that world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such a wonderful thing to surround you. What more is you looking for under the sea?
When's the last time you had a desk pop?
September 08.
Good morning there, Mr. Fair. I've got a set of questions here for you. But first, I would like to cheers to a Dr. Pepper to start this off.
Oh.
Gotta drink it. I noticed on I've got your paper here. What exactly is the elixir of life again?
Dr. Pepper makes the world go round.
Is it just a caffeine rush, or do I get any other?
The medicinal purpose of 10, 4, and 2. It's the trilogy of hours in the day that you need to be drinking Dr. Pepper.
Sounds perfect to me.
Cheers.
Cheers. So, I hear that you have a thing you do here. It's once again on the paper. When you're angry, you write in uppercase. But if you're not angry, you write in lowercase. So is it an uppercase or a lowercase day today, Mr. Fair?
It's still to be determined. It's very early in the day. I'm feeling kind of lowercase today, but usually by the end of the day, the uppercase starts to show itself through.
It's a transition.
Yes.
Transition from lowercase to uppercase. Got it. So now into some more history questions. Which of the founding fathers do you think was the coolest?
Oh, the coolest founding father.
The coolest.
Oh, they all have their quirks, and I would have to say that Thomas Jefferson easily may have been the coolest, although he had kind of some quirks and some picadillos that aren't the most desirable qualities to have. He probably was the coolest.
Yeah, the minor factors, bad things he did doesn't matter. He's a cool guy.
Founding fathers, they're all human.
All human. Oh. Let's get down deep. George Washington didn't lie. What about you?
I plead the fifth.
You plead the fifth? I knew it. How did I know? Won't even give us answers. So you travel a lot, so I've seen. Where haven't you visited?
South America is kind of on the radar. Eastern Asia is on the radar also. My daughter wants me to go to China with her, but I feel it most at home in Europe. So I'll always try to find a reason to go back to Europe.
Where isn't on the radar? Where wouldn't you not go given $1 million?
I don't have a desire to go to India.
Really?
I don't have a desire to go to Australia.
Oh, they've got some animals there.
Yeah. And on my American list, I really don't have a desire to go to California.
You know what? Understandable. California's overrated.
I think so.
There's better places to go. That was my last question for you. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you very
Can I
much.
get a nice handshake from you? Yeah.
Yes, thank
nice.
you.
Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paperboy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. So much confusing me.
I'll run back in.
Okay.
All right. Where's the light?
You got to know when to hold up, know when to fold up, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money.
Storm Cloud Productions presents Real Kids of Neodesha. Today we salute you, Mr. I Have Several Missing Assignments.
Mr. I have several missing assignments.
Do it on time? No. Ask for help? No.
Where did they all go?
Almost every intervention, you're busy with work that you should have done in class.
My dog ate my homework.
Through all core classes, you choose to sleep or play games online. Anything to keep from doing work.
When did we do this?
Wes will be happy to help in the cafeteria.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Today, we salute you, oh Mr. Master of Procrastination.
Mister, I have several missing assignments.
This has been a Storm Cloud production.
Welcome to Gindy's Corner.
Hi, welcome to NHS Neighborhood. I'm Mrs. Essington. Just a second here, let me get into my comfortable clothes. Today, I'm going to do some review. Now, some of you who are in 7th and 8th grade will remember my little rhyme I taught you. And I've got a couple of guests today that are going to help me with this. So hold on just a second here, just get my comfy shoes on. I have two neighbors that are coming to visit, Mr. Pierce and Mrs. Jones. Welcome to the neighborhood, come on in. Okay.
Just happen to be hanging around.
Yes. So this is Mrs. Jones and Mr. Pierce. They work with me. And they're going to repeat after me on the little slogan I taught you guys when you were in 4th, 5th, and 6th grade. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. I am somebody.
I am somebody.
I can be what I work to be.
I can be what I work to be.
If it's to be, it's up to me.
If it's to be, it's up to me.
Treat others as you wish to be treated.
Treat others as you wish to be treated.
Welcome back to Behind the Scenes. I'm Kate.
I'm Colton.
This week's topic is what goes on in the Teacher's Lounge.
Here we are.
Let's take a look.
What are you guys doing?
Guys.
What are you doing?
I'm grading papers.
I need you.
No,
I don't know how to do math.
Phone a friend.
Pretty sure there's an app for that. Miss Masters, I need help on my essay.
Grammarly. It's really good.
Oh my god.
Use it.
Miss Aiken,
Guys,
pretty sure you just Google these.
That's chilling. You can do that too. But like, I need
Copy and paste, copy
I
and
don't think that's
paste.
gonna
Oh my
work.
gosh.
That's definitely not gonna work here.
Wait,
No.
what about the what's
No.
the origami? Guys, this is my assignment.
Don't worry about it.
We don't actually,
That one's good.
do you have my math?
A minus 10?
We don't actually grade it.
I don't know.
it any lower.
Yeah, we could tell.
Save you some time here.
So you don't even grade papers? You just come in here and make origami?
Don't worry about it.
It's
Don't worry
graded.
about it.
Wow. Oh my
Good.
god.
Thank you.
I mean, this was stop being bad. Okay, yeah.
Oh
Uh-huh.
my god, our kids totally listen to that.
Oh my gosh.
What are we doing here, huh?
What are you guys doing?
Oh,
Don't
green
you
will
have
work.
jobs?
Green will work. Don't we have jobs?
Jill,
Oh, yep, I have a job.
last
What?
one.
What?
I needed one of those back.
Oh, here you go. Oh, I better put a lid
You
on
guys
that.
should
There
get
you
out.
go.
We're busy.
Yep.
Fine.
Don't you have something
This
else
is
to
our
do?
time.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Teacher's lounge. Teacher's lounge.
So that's why the teachers never put in grades.
Thanks for watching Behind the Scenes. Bye.
So I got a question here. We got a ladder leaning up against a building. The ladder is 12 foot long. The base from the building to the ladder is 5 foot long. How tall is that building?
7 foot.
Yep, Bo knows math.
Bo knows.
Bo knows.
Briar's daddy knows. Bo knows.
Bo don't know diddly.
Hello everybody, so week 2 results are in, and currently the community service hour leaders are Miss Satina's class and Mrs. Hankins' class. Keep on turning in those community service hours. You can turn them in from last spring, summer, whatever. Just make sure to get them in, and I'll keep updating you guys every week.